Welcome to Authio OTP Contact Form 7, the smarter way to secure your website forms with seamless multi-channel OTP verification, making every submission trustworthy and protected. This walkthrough will guide you through each step of the process, including installation, configuration, and setting up seamless OTP verification for your forms. Before starting, make sure you have Contact Form 7 installed and activated on your WordPress website. Go to your WordPress dashboard, navigate to Plugins, Add New. In the search bar, type Contact Form 7, then click Install Now and activate. This plugin allows you to create and manage contact forms on your website. Now, let's install the Authio OTP Contact Form 7 plugin. Go to your WordPress dashboard and navigate to Plugins, Add New. In the search bar, type Authio OTP for Contact Form 7, then click Install Now, and once the installation is complete, click Activate Plugin. Alternatively, you can also install it manually. Simply download the plugin zip file provided by Authio, then go to Plugins, Add New, Upload Plugin, choose the downloaded zip file, click Install Now, and once the installation finishes, click Activate Plugin. After activation, you'll see a new option in your WordPress sidebar named Authio OTP. Open Authio OTP. You'll see three fields: App ID, Client ID, and Client Secret Key. To get these details, click the link and create your account on Authio. Enter your email address or mobile number to receive an OTP and complete the registration process. Once logged in, go to the Application section from the left side menu. If you're creating an application for the first time, you can follow the step-by-step guide shown in the video provided here. To create a new application, click on Create Application. Enter your application name. Then click Next. Now, on this page, select the authentication channels for your application. You can choose from email, SMS, WhatsApp, or voice call. To send OTPs through all selected channels at the same time, enable Send OTP to all selected channels simultaneously. Alternatively, you can assign priority levels to each channel. So if the first method fails, the next one will automatically be used. Once you've selected your preferred channels and priorities, click Next to continue. Here, you'll be required to set the OTP expiry, delete authentication log, OTP length, and session duration. You can also upload your brand logo here. Once all details are set, click Create to save the application. Here, you'll see your created applications. Each application displays its own app ID, client ID, and client secret. Simply copy these values and paste them into the respective fields in your WordPress plugin settings. Once all three values are entered, click Save Changes to successfully connect your plugin with your Authio account. Next, go to the Verification Methods tab and choose how users will receive their OTPs via email, SMS, WhatsApp, or voice call. You can enable one or multiple options as needed. Now, under Phone OTP settings, select your primary verification method, for example, SMS. Then, set a fallback timer. This timer determines how long the system waits before displaying other delivery options, such as WhatsApp or voice call, if the initial OTP isn't received. You can also enable the option to verify both email and phone within the same form. Here, you can set OTP length, expiry time, resend cooldown, maximum resends. Under Country Selector Configuration, choose whether to display all countries or only selected ones for phone verification and refresh the list to update your country data. Once done, click Save Changes. Open the Form Integration tab to see all your contact forms. Select the forms where you want OTP verification to be enabled. Click Save Changes once you're done. To integrate OTP fields into a contact form, go to Contact, Add New, or edit an existing form. In the editor, add the relevant Auth0 shortcodes depending on your verification needs. For email verification only, use the email OTP shortcode. For phone verification via SMS, WhatsApp, or voice call, use the phone OTP shortcode. For dual verification, include both shortcodes. After adding the shortcodes, give your form a title and click Save. You'll now see your contact form with Auth0 OTP fields integrated. Users can enter their email address or phone number and click the respective Send OTP button. Auth0 will instantly send a one-time password through the selected channel. If multiple OTP channels are enabled, the system will use the primary method first, then automatically switch to a fallback channel if the first attempt fails. Once users receive and verify their OTP, they can submit the form successfully, ensuring every submission is secure, verified, and completely spam-free. Your forms are now smarter, safer, and more trustworthy, giving you genuine user leads with real-time authentication. Auth0 provides a complimentary $1 credit to help you get started. For example, when sending email OTPs, the cost per OTP is 15 paise. With the current exchange rate of 88 rupee per dollar, this free $1 credit allows you to send approximately 586 email OTPs at no additional cost. Once the complimentary balance is fully utilized, you can easily purchase additional credits to continue sending OTPs without interruption. For more details, please visit our official website at www.auth0.io. Thank you for watching this tutorial on Auth0 OTP for Contact Form 7. We hope this guide helped you set up secure and verified contact forms on your WordPress website.